Let's solve one previous question of mathematical logic. This question was asked in GATE CS 2017 set 2 question number 11. Let PQR denotes the statement it is raining, it is cold and it is pleasant respectively. Then the statement it is not raining and it is pleasant and it is not pleasant only if it is raining and it is cold is represented by and 4 options are given. We need to write logical expression for this statement. This is a lengthy statement, so first we'll divide it. We'll find logical expression for small part, then we'll combine it. So first I'll do for this, it is not raining and it is pleasant. It is raining is P, it is not raining will be negation P, and it is pleasant. It is pleasant is R. So negation P and R, it's for it is not raining and it is pleasant. Next I will do for it is raining and it is cold. It is raining is P and it is cold is Q. So P and Q is for it is raining and it is cold. So next I will do for this part, it is not pleasant only if it is raining and it is cold. It is raining and it is cold is P and Q. So it is not pleasant only if there will be implication. It is not pleasant is negation R. So it is not pleasant. Negation R implies P and Q. So it is not pleasant only if it is raining and cold. That's why negation R implies P and Q. Now we'll combine these two for final statement. So it is not raining and it is pleasant. It's negation P and R. And it is not pleasant only if it is raining and it's cold. So negation P and R and negation R implies P and Q. So this is for final statement. Now check in which option it is present. It's present in option A. So negation P and R and negation R implies P and Q. Answer will be option A. All first part are correct, negation P and R, but the second part are wrong. So due to second part, answer will be option A. I already discussed how to write logical expression for compound statement. Just go through the lecture, and if this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.